Hello everyone, welcome to ridhimaacreations. Today I have a very special painting to share with you. This painting is inspired by a real life event. Every year during Deepavali or Diwali festival, my dad and me visit a famous temple in Bangalore which is situated on top of a hill. Behind the temple there is a viewpoint from where you can see fireworks light up the night sky and also get a beautiful glimpse of a large section of Bangalore. I relived this special event while painting this picture. I hope you do follow along and give it a try too. Please subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. These are the materials that you will need. Watercolor paints, a large size round brush, preferably of size 4 or above, a thick sheet of paper of GSM 200 or 300, water, a pencil and eraser, some glue, powder salt or rangoli powder, and a waste cloth. So let's start. The first step is to draw a rough sketch of the scene that we are going to paint. I am drawing the outlines of the father and the daughter sitting on top of a hill. The father is pointing his hand towards the sky. We'll be drawing some fireworks later on in the sky. On the right corner, we'll be drawing the moon. The next step is to wet the paper throughout. Dip your brush in water and just spread the water all over the paper. This will help us in the next step, that is applying a watercolor wash. In this step, we'll be taking very diluted colors and applying the colors here and there randomly and let the colors spread on their own. This is a very easy technique which can be used to create beautiful backgrounds. Here I've used blue and purple to create a night sky. Till we wait for the sky to dry, let's start with the silhouettes of the father and daughter and the ground. I'm using black color and I'm filling in the outlines. It might be patchy initially, but you can again apply another coat to cover up any gaps. Watercolors do tend to lighten as they dry. So if you feel the sky is not as intense as you wanted, you can again go back and reapply the colors to intensify them. Before the next step, make sure that your base coat or the watercolor wash has dried properly. The next step is to apply glue over the traces of fireworks that we had drawn. I have used a Fevicol tube here. You can use any glue. Preferably it should be in a nozzle tip bottle so that it's easy for you to draw lines. Before the glue dries, I'm going to use a powder. You can use any powder substance like powder salt or rangoli powder which has a coarse texture. Preferably this should be white in color so that when we apply paint over it later on, the true colors of the paint are seen. Sprinkle the powder all over the place where we had applied glue. Make sure that it is uniform. Do the same for the moon that we had drawn. Press the powder slightly onto the glue. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes till the glue has dried. Dust off the excess powder. You can either blow over it or you can tap the paper onto some hard surface so that the excess powder falls off. Once the glue has dried, we'll now color the fireworks. Try to use bright colors such as yellow, green, blue, pink. This will make the fireworks pop against the background. I'm further darkening the blues and the purples in the sky. Using bright yellow, I'm highlighting the edges of the moon. Using black, cover any patches that were there in the silhouettes. Load your brush well with white paint. Now, with another object, tap the brush all over the sheet so that tiny white spots are made throughout the painting. These white spots look like distant stars in the sky. Once you're happy with the effect, draw star-like shapes or diamond shapes with white paint randomly anywhere in the sky. These look like stars which are closer. The painting is complete. Hope you enjoyed doing this painting with me. If you do recreate the painting, please share your recreation with me on Instagram at ridhimaacreations. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and also visit www.ridhimaacreationsartandcraft.com for details on art and craft classes we conduct in Bangalore and online. Thanks for watching. Bye.